Okay, so at this moment, my investments sits at 286. I calculated my net worth, and right now, this has nothing to do with you. Uh, right now, my net worth is in the negatives by a few racks. Um, and I'm gonna try to. Once again, this has nothing to do with you. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to change all of that before the year ends and try to flip it from negative to positive. Even when this reaches probably 100 or five or probably 1,000, I don't know if I will be out of the negative. I will have to calculate that again, which I will probably do next month on the first. See you guys in like 3 weeks.